I love this Egyptian like.
Look at here, Nana.
And oh, see. Look at the Iraq Pavilion. It's also very nice. It's like palace. Hi guys! It's very nice weather now. Actually, I'm going to the metro station. And I will go to Global Village because I think it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's the 5th day of opening. So I need to see what's in there. So we'll see you there. Hi, I'm here now in Global Village and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I'm here now, I'm inside and it's so nice in here. See, I want to show you some buildings. Oh, the African thing here. And oh, see. Really I miss Global Village. Oh no, and the food. Wow, and there's so bubbles. What is this bubbles here? Some Filipinos. Wow, there are so many people inside. Look at the dragon, it's so nice. Oh, look at the Egypt Pavilion, it's so nice. Really, it's so nice. It's like in Egypt. And also there's Bahrain and Yemen. But I love this Egyptian like. Oh, and look at the Iraq Pavilion. It's also very nice. It's like palace, you know. Oh, very nice, really. They make so much improvement here.
Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete stop. A ride host will direct you to the exit. اللعبة على وشك الانتهاء.
Japan's Pavilion. Oh, very big also. And here's Thailand. They are facing each other. Thailand. So much fun here. Balloons. Yeah, and fun rides. Pavilion. Look at the India Pavilion, also very large. Hi, I'm sitting here down because it's so hot and I just relax. I'm in front of Pavilion and I will be waiting for their show. So I want to see what will they do. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I'm just sitting on one of the bench here. flower. Oh, very nice, the dragon now. Where you can see the dragon color blue. It should be red, right? But the dragon in Dubai is blue. I'm so tired. Look at the entrance of the global village. It was pink and then it was red now. It changed to different colors. Oh, and then it changed to yellow. It's like green. It's very nice. People are going home already. It becomes white now. And like yellow again. Oh, it becomes pink now again. Hi, I'm going home. But a nice background for me.